Hello guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to block someone on Facebook Marketplace using your web browser. This will prevent them from seeing your listings, messaging you, or interacting with you on Marketplace. Let's get started. Now, the first log into your Facebook account and switch to the profile you want to use. Then click on the profile picture on the top right corner and hover over to the settings and privacy menu. Then click the settings option. Now select settings and privacy. Then scroll down on the left side and you'll see an option called blocking. Now click on it. Now edit the block user section. Click on the edit option. Now here you can see two options like add followers to block list or add users to block list. First, let me show you how to add users to the block list. Now, just simply type the name of the person. Let me say Kim Kardashian, for example, like, and then click block. Yes, you can ban Kim and ban Kim any profiles they create. And now click the confirm. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone from your Facebook Marketplace. This is the same like blocking a profile. This also blocks them from your marketplace. Make sure you have switched to the correct profile you want. Then another alternative method is to go to the search option, type in the name of the person. For example, let me block this person, right? And click here, and you'll see the three dot option, right? Click on it and simply click the block option and confirm, and this person will be blocked from your marketplace as well as from your profile. Now, once blocked, the person won't see your marketplace listings or send you new messages. However, they can still see old messages for your reviews. If you have multiple Facebook profiles, you will need to block them separately for each one. And that's it. You have successfully blocked someone on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe.